Now once these elements get stored into array, it will look like this. See here, this is array, node array, which contains the memory size from 0 to 9, that is 10 elements or 10 elements of node type, where every memory get divided into two part, data and next, and your list gets started from this, okay, fourth index 10, next pointer 1, so it will point to first location. Now here 20, next pointer is 6, so it will point here 6, then 7, and -1 means end of the list, that is null. Okay, this is the memory representation of this list using array. Now, how to display list? To display list, what we need, suppose this is the pseudocode for display function, we need to pass head, that is starting address of the node. Here we are using array, so we are passing here starting index of the array. So starting index we have stored in head in previous function. So head contains the starting index as 4 for this example. So it will print first this opening bracket, then check. Here I is equal to head. So head contains 4, so I value is 4. So it will check whether I is equal to -1. -1 means end of list. For that we have give check this whether we are at the end of list. If it is not, then it check whether in that location, means fourth location, data part is equal to -1. It means there is no data. Okay, whether at fourth index of node array data part is equal to -1. If it is, then we are printing just blank. If it is not -1, means if there is a value, then we are printing that data. Okay, so at node 4 what is data? 10. So 10 get display here. Okay, after that we need to print this one 20. After 10 we need to print 20. So how we come to know that 20 is stored at which index location in array? That is from the fourth, this fourth index next part. So what we are going to do here, node of 4 dot next. What is node of 4 dot next? Is 1. So I is now 1. Again it will go here whether 1 is equal to -1. No, condition is true, so it go here. Okay, there is no blank data, so it will print here. Here is comma 4. Okay, then for 4, here 20. At fourth location what data is there? We are taking only data part, so it will print data 20. Then node of 1 dot next is what? 6. So I is now 6. So it will go here 6. Okay. So 6 is not equal to -1. It will go in while loop. In else part, it will print data, that is 30. Okay. And its next part is 7. So 7 will be the next I value. Again 7 is not equal to -1. Condition is true. Data part is not blank. Okay, so it will go in else part and print data at the 7th position. That is node of 7 dot data is 40. So it will print 40 here. Okay, after that it gives node of 7 dot next is -1. I is now -1. -1, it checks here whether -1 is not equal to -1. Condition is false. So it will exit from this loop and it will display the list like 10, 20, 30, 40. That is nothing but the data part of your linked list. Okay, this is the display list using array list.